Well, EnXylaScope has prepared an action plan to make that all the results can be applicable to other sectors by the creation of a stakeholders database that will be very important to the swift uptake in other sectors, and also an events list in which our partners can see their interest and how their products can be replicable. And we have created an online learning course for students and also specialized workers that will be very important for explaining the use of enzymes in consumer products. And finally, we have been involved with other projects funded under the same goal, and we have created a cluster that is called Enzymes for Greener Products, in which we collaborate with these other projects, and in which we can find common interests and possibilities for the replication of our results.
Well, most of the products that we release after the end of the project will reach a technology readiness level between 4 to 6. A technology readiness level is a scale to determine the maturity of the results. So when we talk about a maturity level or technology readiness level from 4 to 6, we are talking about that we will validate our results at a lab scale, or in the case of 6 level, at a relevant environment. So I want to say with this that we have a lot of work to do once the project ends. So what we are doing here during the project is start to think about how we are going to manage the process to progress the results of the project from that TRL of 6, more or less 5, 6, to a marketable TRL in 2 years, more or less time. So now we are working in the identification of IP issues, we are working on in the identification of the ownership of the different results, we are thinking about potential business models, we are also establishing the synergies and the cooperation needed to progress these results after the end of the project. And at the end of the day, the idea is to have a clear roadmap once EnXylaScope is over to effectively launch the results to the market in a couple of years. Yes, I think that the EnXylaScope solution has a clear and very well-defined value proposition. The EnXylaScope solution offers to the biochemical and biotechnology industry the capability to offer greener ingredients to their customers. So the EnXylaScope solution makes the development of these new greener ingredients something that is easier and more efficient thanks to the industrial processes demonstrated during the project, and also all the knowledge generated by the project will be transformed into consultancy and training services in order to guide the companies to adopt these new processes developed in the project.